What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw a Minecraft llama. Let's begin along the top left side of the page with the muzzle. We'll start all the way on the end at the very top. I'm just going to bend this across slightly over towards the right side. Now let's curve the sides of the muzzle. Starting on the left, bend this out and back in. Do the same thing on the right, coming down towards the same height. And I want to close off the bottom with another curve coming down and then up. Now from the right side, we're going to step over, we're going to add that seam in the middle. Draw a straight line coming down. In this space on the left side, we're going to draw the nostrils. So on the sides, we're going to draw two squares coming in, down, and then out. Let's line this up on the right. And we'll fill the inside of the nostrils in black. From the bottom, we're going to step up, add another curve, and down, and then up. And then on the end, we're just going to bend this across and then down across the mouth. Let's go to the inside corners of the nose, bend this down and in towards that line. Let's move up and draw in the eyes. In the center of the muzzle, we'll draw a square going up, across, and then down. Let's move over towards the right and do the same thing, going up, across, and then down. Let's add the eyelid with a straight line going across the top. And we want to fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Now from here we're going to draw the front face of the head. Let's start on top of the muzzle, draw a straight line going up towards the top of the head. Now I want to give a slight curve going across and then down towards the right side. Let's come all the way down towards the bottom. Let's line up the head underneath the muzzle, draw a straight line coming down to right about there. Now I just want to round this out, come across with a slight angle coming down towards that center line. From this point, go straight out towards the right, and go straight up towards the edge of the body. Now let's go across the top of the back with a straight line going out towards the right. Let's go up to the top right corner of the head, angle this down towards the back of the head, round out the head, and then come straight down on top of the body. Now let's go back to the bottom left side of the head, step in, draw a straight line coming down the front edge of the body, round this out. Now we want to follow this angled line coming down towards the right, to right about there. Round this out, and then go straight up towards the top. Let's go back down towards the bottom, draw a straight angled line going across. And we're just going to line this up, round out the top of the body, come down, and then round out the bottom. Let's go all the way back up towards the top of the head and draw on the ears. Starting on the left side, going up. Let's round out the ears, go across, round out the top, and then come back down. Now I want to draw that same shape over on the right side. So leaving a gap, we go up towards the same height. Round this out, go across, round out the top, and then down. Now I'm going to add a seam over on the right side with a straight line on both sides. Let's add the inside edge of the ears. Starting over on the left, we're going to go up, across, and then down. And then do the exact same thing over on the right. Now we're going to move down and draw on the legs. From the bottom corner of the body, step in, draw a straight line coming down, round up the leg, go across, round out the bottom, and pull that up underneath the body. Let's leave a gap and draw another leg. We're going to come down a little bit lower, round the leg, go across, and then back up. Now just like we did with the ears, we're going to add a seam over on the right side with a straight line coming down. Let's separate the hoof with a straight line going across the bottom. Now I want to draw that same leg over on the back side, so we're going to start from the back corner of the body, step in, come down, round up the leg, come across and in, and then bend that back up, and we'll add a seam. And we'll separate the hoof. I'm also going to add the inside edge of the left leg. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of the Minecraft llama. I want to thank you for joining me today. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one.